Imagine a country made entirely of clay, Vietnam, reimagined in vibrant, tactile detail. Every rice stalk, conical hat, and wisp of steam from a bowl of pho is sculpted by hand. This is Vietnam as you've never seen it, brighter, more textured, alive with possibility. Our journey isn't just across a map, but through a world built frame by frame. Forget the cliches. This is a sprawling epic, full of hidden stories and quiet moments. We begin with a spinning potter's wheel, shaping the iconic S-curve of the country. Tiny tools carve out mountains and rivers, forming a living, breathing map. From the highlands to the Mekong Delta, this clay landscape is bursting with stories. We'll travel not by bus or plane, but by the magic of animation, zooming into cityscapes, pulling back to reveal sweeping vistas. Every scene is a miniature masterpiece, every character a sculpture with a story. Prepare to be charmed and surprised by this handcrafted adventure. This is a tribute to Vietnam's beauty, resilience, and wonder. The journey starts now. Let the clay world unfold. The clay is waiting. Our first stop is Sapa, where mountains form a green staircase to the sky. Terraced rice fields, each a ribbon of color. Clay farmers in pointed hats plant rice, their movements a patient dance. The terraces shift from muddy brown to luminous green to shimmering gold. We glide south to the Marble Mountains near Da Nang, 5 dramatic limestone hills, each a different hue. A clay pilgrim climbs winding stairs, passing hidden caves and silent Buddhas. The marble's texture, the tiny leaves, the trickling stream, all rendered in exquisite detail. These mountains are sacred spaces, blending nature and faith. Our claymation lens captures both the grand scale and the intricate soul of these places. As the sun sets, the mountains glow orange, shadows deepening. Here, land and people shape each other, a grand theater of Vietnam's ongoing story. We are privileged to witness it in this handcrafted form. Now, we drift to Ha Long Bay, descending Dragon Bay, where legend and landscape merge. In claymation, a colossal dragon soars, dropping sculpted limestone karsts into a glassy blue-green bay. The camera weaves between unique clay towers, some slender, some lush with jungle. Tiny fishing boats bob, a family mends nets, the water laps softly. Inside a vast island cave, stalactites and stalagmites glow in hidden light, shadows dancing. A resin drop falls with a tiny plink, pure subterranean wonder. As dusk falls, the sky turns purple. Karsts become silhouettes. Lanterns flicker on boats. It feels like a forgotten world where myths are real and dragons sleep beneath the waves. This isn't just a landscape, it's a living storybook. Ha Long Bay in clay is both magical and deeply real. Here, Vietnam's legends are sculpted before our eyes. The bay invites us to dream. Beyond the postcards, real magic hides in Vietnam's quiet corners. We land on a secret beach, white clay sand, turquoise water, a lone clay crab. Coconut trees sway, offering shade and tranquility. A wobbly clay boat takes us to a lesser-known island. Life slows. A fishing village on stilts appears. Clay houses, sun-faded and chipped, line the shore. Children leap from a pier, laughter echoing. Inland, a narrow path winds through dense jungle, past curious clay birds to a hidden waterfall. Water cascades over mossy rocks, a soothing rush in a secret pool. These are the soul of Vietnam, places where life continues quietly, unchanged. Our claymation journey reveals beauty in simplicity, gentle waves, village rhythms, hidden waterfalls. These treasures aren't in guidebooks, they reward those who look closer. The undiscovered, sculpted with care, is Vietnam's greatest gift. Now, we plunge into the vibrant chaos of a Vietnamese city, streets alive with thousands of clay motorbikes. A street food vendor assembles pho, steam rising from a tiny clay pot. The market bursts with color pyramids of fruit, vegetables, and silver-painted fish on crushed plastic ice. The sounds are a lively mix of haggling, laughter, and calls. In a workshop, a clay artisan carves lacquerware. In another, a woman weaves silk at a loom. This is Vietnam's heartbeat, found in street food sizzle, market energy, and patient craft. These daily moments woven together create the fabric of culture. Claymation lets us see the artistry in the everyday. Each bowl of soup, each market scene is a celebration of life and work. Vietnam's spirit is sculpted in every detail. Vietnam's landscape is shaped by history as much as by rivers and mountains. We journey to Hue's ancient citadel, palaces and temples, weathered and mossy in clay. Silent courtyards recall emperors and dynasties, ornate roofs guarded by tiny dragons. The clay bears scars of conflict and resilience. Walls crumble, then are rebuilt by new hands. A montage unfolds, ancient temples, scenes of struggle, and the enduring Vietnamese spirit. History lives in the streets. Modern cities blend sleek buildings with colonial villas. A high-speed train passes a woman on a bicycle, old and new side by side. This blend is everywhere, in architecture, fashion, and daily life. Claymation captures this dynamic. A 1,000-year-old pagoda beside a skyscraper, tradition meeting progress. Clay figures embody the transition. An old man in Ao Dai checks his smartphone. Vietnam preserves its soul while embracing the future. This is a handcrafted tribute to resilience and change. Our claymation journey through Vietnam draws to a close. We've explored mythical bays, mountain terraces, city streets, and hidden villages. This was more than a tour. It was an immersion in warmth, charm, and detail. By sculpting Vietnam in clay, we invite you to see it with fresh eyes. Notice the textures, the colors, the quiet beauty in everyday life. The real Vietnam is a masterpiece, shaped by its people and history. It rewards the curious and enchants the adventurous. Our clay journey ends, but the real adventure awaits. Go see it for yourself. The clay is waiting, so is Vietnam.